morning, guys. Starting this vlog off on a Thursday. Today is kind of a bittersweet day because the tow truck guy is right outside. I'm about to go meet him and they're taking away my old car, which is very emotional. I've been kind of procrastinating it because, again, like it's such like I don't know, I feel like the car's like been with me for so long, and I don't know, I'm really sad about it. I really liked that car, and yeah, but I did wind up donating it to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. So I guess they sell it at auction, I guess either for like parts or if someone wants to fix it up or something, I don't know. But I thought that was a nice thing to do with it, so it makes me feel a little bit better about having to get rid of it. And yeah, so now I gotta go take off the plates because the guy came way earlier than I was expecting. They told me like between 8 a.m. and 12, and it's like 7 something, so I haven't even taken off the plates yet. I just got out of bed. And yeah, so gotta go meet him. I'm sad. Hey guys, it's been a couple days since the last time I vlogged. Has it been a couple days or has it just been one day? Like, what even is time anymore? Like, I don't even know. But yeah, the other day my car got picked up, and then I was gonna like vlog and do a bunch of stuff that day, but I wound up doing like laundry and like really boring stuff like that. It just like wasn't even worth it to vlog. Like, I don't know, like I went to the laundromat, like it's not that exciting. I did some more cleaning of like my room and everything, like really just like not exciting stuff. But I went to my P.O. box today and grabbed a bunch of stuff that was in there because I haven't really been going as frequently as I need to since I haven't had a car for a bit. So now that I have a car, I was like, oh, I need to go to my P.O. box. And I got a bunch of stuff, and some of it I already opened, and you know, I'll share it on my Instagram, but some of it I have behind me in packages, and some of it I ordered myself and some of it you guys sent to me. So yeah, just figured I'd like open it and show you guys. I like kind of like peeked inside a couple of the packages because I was curious, and like some of them, as I said, I ordered, so like I remember like, oh yeah, like that's what it is. But yeah, I'll show you. It's funny, sometimes I film like package unboxings, stuff like that, and then I just don't include them in my vlogs because my vlogs are getting so long. So I'm always like, I should like do something with the unboxings if I don't include them in the vlog, like put them on my Patreon or something. I don't know, maybe you'd enjoy them. So the first one's something that I ordered, and I've been like so excited to get this package, like so excited, and it finally came. And basically, as you guys know, one of my favorite things to do, especially like when I'm really stressed out, is to watch like artists on YouTube. I love watching them do their art, and like artists that have like really chill vibes, and I love watching videos of people like packaging their store orders, like their Etsy orders and stuff. And there's one artist that I've been watching for a really long time, and she's just like, her channel has like the chillest, most calming vibes, and it makes me feel like so much better if I'm stressed out. And I just watch her for a little bit, and her art is super cute. So I finally ordered some stuff from her shop. I was waiting for her to do a shop update because I saw some stuff on her channel, you know, that she was going to have in the shop, but then yeah, I was waiting for her to do the update of the shop before I ordered it. It's Catnip Illustrations, and this is the packaging that it came in. Well, it came in like a box, but then this is the inner packaging, and I'm like nervous to open it because it's so cute. It's packaged so cute, and like as I said, like I love watching videos of like packaging in the store and stuff, so I'm just like, I get to have one. Oh, it's packaged so nicely. I feel so bad like ripping through it. Like, oh my god, look how cute. I have to rip through it though. Are you guys the type of people who like, when you open presents, are you like careful about it, or do you just like rip through all the paper? I'm always like really careful about it. I always feel so bad ripping wrapping paper. But cardboard boxes, I'm like a monster. I'm just like cutting through them. Ah, so cute. A little thank you note. I believe in you. Ah, so cute. Oh, so this is one of the things I ordered, and this is just a coaster, a little bear on it. And this is actually because I always have like drinks next to me here when I'm like streaming or filming or whatever, and they always leave like a little ring, and there's always like condensation, so I was thinking like I should have a coaster. I wonder if Catnip has any when I place my order, and she did. And I actually realized afterwards that I should have ordered 2 of them because I have one here, but then I also always like to have drinks at work with me, and I have the same problem, and there's always like condensation on like our front desk at work. So I was like, oh, I should have bought one and then just left it at the front desk for everyone, like all the other front desk receptionists and stuff to use. So I should have bought 2 coasters, but this one's so cute, so I'm gonna keep it here with me. It's like the only green thing on my desk. Everything on my desk is pink, but I wanted this one even though it's green. And then I ordered a little sticker. I've been kind of buying stickers lately. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. It's too much pressure, like where are you gonna stick it? And I bought some enamel pins. I saw a meme the other day that was like, the reason we like enamel pins so much is like they're basically stickers, but without the pressure of only being able to stick them once. They're stickers, but you can move them. It's very accurate, but I've been kind of gathering up my enamel pins and kind of trying to collect more so I can put like a little pinboard display. You're kind of like back here and just like, whoop, make it really cute. I just dropped one. And there's another bumble butt. The same as the sticker. I thought it was really cute, so I bought it 2 different ways. And then cat with some Satsumas, dog in a pumpkin. And I love this one. This is like a little dog in like a pool raft, and he's got sunglasses and is just chilling. So those are gonna look super cute when I do my little display. So I'm very excited that I got this package. Next up is my new Colourpop box, and I did open this and peek into it as well because I wanted to see what was inside. I couldn't wait. I literally do this sometimes like at the post office, like I'm getting stuff and then I'll like take my keys and like cut through the tape or whatever because I'm like, I literally can't even wait till I get home because I get so excited. Says prepare to be shocked. And these were sent to me, by the way. I have to disclose that. They were sent to me. I'm so excited because they're the super shock shadows. There's some more of them here. Like a bunch of them. This was like one of the original Colourpop products that like got me into them like way back when I first heard of Colourpop. I was in like, I think it was my junior year of college. So it was quite a while ago. And that was like one of like their first products that they had were these super shock shadows, and I loved them, and I bought a lot of them. I have a lot. I love them. I can't get enough. Let's see what colors there are. Oh, it looks really purple when I'm showing it to you guys. It's like more of like a blue purple. Like very shimmery. It's called Moon Daisy. I'm really excited to try that one. This one was orange. It was called Chirp. And it is called Secret Garden. This is like the kind of one that like I reach for on like daily, like these like very sparkly bronzy colors. I really like using those as like almost like eyeliners sometimes when I'm not feeling like the black eyeliner for work. Ooh, this one's really pretty too. Heads Up. This is like really red. I just love makeup so much. I just get so excited. If you couldn't tell. This is called Fruit Punch, and I was looking for a color like this the other week so much because I was doing my Shigo cosplay and I really wanted like a neon green, and I couldn't find one in stores like anywhere. Like I was looking in like Ulta and Sephora, but I didn't want to buy like a whole palette. I wanted to buy like a single shadow. So I'm kind of sad that I got this now because I was looking freaking everywhere for a color just like this. I can't believe I just got this. Time to redo my Shigo cosplay, like seriously. I really like this color too. Is this shiny or no? Oh, it is. It's like a blue shimmer. You're My Sunshine. That's really cool. It's like, I don't know if you can tell, it's like purple, but it's got like a blue shimmer to it. That's gonna look like awesome. All right, this I'm really glad arrived because this is my Deathnote. And this I ordered for my shoot I'm doing tomorrow because we're doing a Misa Misa shoot since I finally got my red contact lenses in. And I've been wanting to cosplay her for so long. And I was kind of like thinking, I was like, oh, I don't even have a Deathnote. I need a Deathnote. So I ordered one for myself, and it's literally just a notebook. So I can write people's names in it. This is some stuff from my wish list. I'm not going to say who sent it to me because I know some people prefer to stay anonymous, but thank you to the person who sent these to me. This is so cute. This is a little bra set. Oh my god, things are falling off my laptop. But I'm gonna get in trouble showing this on YouTube maybe, I don't know. But a little bra and underwear set for probably OnlyFans, maybe Patreon, but I think it's probably gonna be an OnlyFans exclusive. It's got little strawberries on it. This is from Amazon, and I saw it on Amazon as like a recommended item for me. So cute. All right, this is also, I don't know if you've noticed, but I've been wearing like the same kind of like harnesses for a lot of different shoots just because I haven't had any more. But look at the, okay, I can't even show you. I mean, like I know kind of what it is from like putting it on my wish list, but it's like this like little harness set. This is actually gonna be really cool if I do like Misa Misa like Patreon version, which we'll probably do. Like this is the bottoms. And it's like got all these harnesses and stuff. Like, I don't know, maybe it's not Lolita enough because she would like kind of like have pink bows and stuff, but that would be like a really fun thing to do. Maybe I'll do that. I haven't really decided what I'm gonna wear for that part of it yet. If we wind up doing that part of the shoot. Oh, it came with a little bra as well. More harnesses, more little straps, very strappy. Love it. So yeah, be sure to check out my Patreon or /OnlyFans for those items. Oh, this is another thing I needed for, oh my gosh, my Meet Music cosplay is like all coming together. I had like stuff planned to wear for it, but I put some other things on my list just in case. And this is one of those things. This is like a leather skirt, so I can wear it like over the petticoat that I already have, and that's just gonna like really just make it awesome. So oh my gosh, I'm hyped for my shoot tomorrow now. Like between my, got my Deathnote, got these like little strappy underwear, got the skirt. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. I'll vlog it, don't worry. You guys will see, well, you won't see the spicier part because that'll be on my Patreon. Like I do like spicier Patreon vlogs, so that'll be there, but you'll see the regular part of the shoot. It's gonna be amazing. I'm so excited. So thank you to the person who sent me those. I love you. Is this a, oh, it's a skirt. Cute. And it looks like there's a matching little top, maybe? Is this a, I don't know how this works. How does this work? I think, like, oh my god, am I stupid? Am I so stupid? Like, how does clothing work? Okay, somehow I think it's supposed to go like off my shoulders like that, but that's gonna take some figuring out because like honestly I'm very confused right now. Like, it's cute, but I don't understand it. I cannot wait to shoot all this stuff. Oh my gosh, I have this giant pile on my desk now of all this stuff, and a giant pile of like boxes behind me. Oh, I love mail day. Again, if you do want to send me stuff, my Amazon wish list is always linked below. I also have a P.O. box, so you can just, you know, if there's something else you want me to wear, I know sometimes people ask if they can like send me cosplays, stuff like that. You can send it to my P.O. box. I can't promise I'll wear anything, you know, because there's always a chance like it doesn't fit or I don't like that series or whatever, but you're always welcome to send it. I think it's like 8:30 or something, which is kind of late, but I'm kind of thinking I might go stream some Pokemon Snap now just for the fun of it because I really like that game, but it means I have to take Dramamine. I'm still taking suggestions for cheap second monitors. I tried to do a stream with just the single monitor and I had to like keep looking back and forth between screens, and it was kind of making my motion sickness worse, I think. Like, I don't think I was getting motion sickness from the game. I think I was getting it from looking between the two screens. So I'm hoping that a second monitor will fix that. As I said, like, not something I can really get right now, but I'm taking suggestions for the future of like really cheap ones, like under $100, because I'm literally just using it to like read my comments and stuff, so I don't need it to be like, you know, really great and, you know, amazing looking graphics and all that. Like, I just need to like read the freaking words on the screen, so something cheap will do. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go stream now, so I will vlog more tomorrow for my shoot, which I'm excited for. So we just finished up the spicier part of the shoot. We did that first this time, mixing it up, and now we're gonna go do the regular Instagram part of the shoot.
I think you're better without me. Know for a fact that you're happy now. Hate that I treated you badly. Not much to do except apologize. No, I don't want you back, not at all. I just wanted to give you a call.
Okay, come on. There's some pretty cool graffiti over here. You see that sign up there?
What sign? Stop hate crime sign?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. What your dominant is.
So we just finished our shoot. Kind of guerrilla style. We didn't really film a lot of the shoot, but we just kind of ran around this area that I used to work in here downtown in Los Angeles.
Tried to avoid getting hit by cars.
Tried to avoid getting hit by cars. Succeeded pretty well at that. No accidents to report from us so far. Good stuff. Editing Daniela here. I also forgot to finish this vlog. I'm definitely getting used to the whole weekly timeline. So yeah, I guess I just kind of forget to finish vlogs. I gotta get used to that if I'm gonna keep doing them weekly. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already and if you want to. And be sure to follow me on my social media. I have basically everything: Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, like literally like all the social medias. You can follow me. They're all linked below, as well as my OnlyFans and my Patreon. And I'll see you guys next week for my next video. Bye!
You want to scare those kids over there? I'm pretty sure they're filming something like Hollywood-like or YouTube-like, because they're like 12-year-old kids and they have mustaches.